It is embarrassing how easy he is. Anyone can get to him. He is a transitional element, shiny and malleable, not to mention a great conductor and enzyme. He makes things happen for anyone, and for that reason, he spends time exhausted. Like the ores and alkalis of the earth, a single layer of his seems enough, but the more you dig, wow, there is magic and infinite ability. He is gullible, manipulated easily. On his worst, quiet days, giving him ice cream, fake smiles, telling him good news, greeting him, makes him forgive. Parts of him are scattered all over the world, divided as pieces owned by individuals for their own wealth. For some time now, he has been collecting every last bit of his magic ores. I am embarrassed for those who thought that the bit they owned was for forever. Quick reminder: gold, silver, and all the group 3 to 12 elites were here before humans. If he is one of them, he is still alive. Every cry for help, even the pretentious ones, he responded. Made this way, his testicles increased his gullibility. Upon the birth of all his children, his testicles swelled, mortal masculine labor pains. He knew he was flying south with the aluminium sheets. His gullibility convinced him that his steel enzyme would bond those he listened to using his gold and time. The flying transport surprised him by coming too early. His sympathy was invested in purposefully forgetful institutions. Interest is gained. The day of remembrance will be sweaty. Baobab seeds will grow by drops of rain from the sun. Like him, I too am gullible, considered able for the easy living of others because I am apologetic. He is sovereign. I cannot compare myself to him. I rank high on the gullibility board, but my testicles have never attended the party. Why do most men have gullible testicles? I am learned on the evolutionary biology and anthropology that follows. If ever my testicles become gullible, help me be a present father. Help me raise talented humans, children allowed to read and experiment on their infinite potential.